Hello students, today we are going to see experiment 4B from 18 CSL 37 Analog and Digital Electronics lab. Its adders and subtractors. Aim of the program is design and develop the Verilog or VHDL code for a half adder, full adder, half subtractor and full subtractor. Components required are system and ISE Design Suite 14.7 software. This software is a Xilinx ISE software tool. It's produced by Xilinx for synthesis and analysis of HDL designs, which enables a developer to synthesize their designs and perform timing analysis and simulate a designs reaction to different stimuli and configure the target device with a programmer. Here we have model sum. It's a verification and simulation tool for VHDL Verilog system Verilog and mixed language designs. Okay, so here we are going to use system with ISE 14.7 software. First we are going to see half adder. We have two inputs and two outputs for this half adder. The inputs are A and B. Outputs are sum and carry. You can check the truth table. This is truth table. Inputs are A and B. 4 combinations. So 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Outputs are sum and carry. Sum and carry. 0 plus 0 0 0 plus 1 1 1 plus 0 1 1 plus 1 0. Carry we have 0 plus 0 0 carry, 0 plus 1 0 carry, 1 plus 0 0 carry, 1 plus 1 1 carry. This is the truth table. For this truth table we have to make K-map. So first we are going to make for sum. This is sum column 0 1 1 0 is the data. Two variable K-map I have taken with A and B. This is the truth table. From the truth table I got A XOR B. So this is the Boolean expression for sum. Same way I will do for carry also. 0 0 0 1 is the input. When I solve the K-map, I got AB. So this is a Boolean expression for carry. So based on these two expressions, I will make the logic circuit of half adder. A and B are the input. So first sum is nothing but XOR of A and B. So XOR gate is used. Then carry is AND of A and B. AND gate, the inputs are A and B. So this is the logic circuit of half adder. Next we have to write Verilog or VHDL. We are using VHDL code only. VHDL code for half adder, two input half adder. Okay. Here we are following behavioral model. VHDL module will be having entity and architectural part. Entity part and architectural part. Okay. In entity, we have to describe our inputs and outputs with port keyword. Next, after completing the entity, we have to start our architecture body. Architecture body is where you have to give the implementation of your particular circuit. Okay, so first we are starting with entity half adder. Entity name we have to give after the entity keyword. Half adder is my entity name. Half adder is port. Next I am starting with the port. Open bracket, close bracket. So inside the bracket I have to specify all the inputs and outputs. Here I have A and B are my input and sum and carry are output. So A and B are in standard logic. These are input. Next sum and carry are output, out standard logic. I am ending my entity with the entity name. So end half adder semicolon. Next I am starting architecture body, architecture behavioral of half adder. Again same entity name is. Next keyword we have to use is begin. Next we have to use begin. So after the begin you are writing what is your sum, what is your carry. So sum we know that it is A XOR B, carry is A and B. No? So sum is equal to, this is the logic operator for equal to, sum equal to A XOR B, carry equal to A and B. Then you are ending your architecture body with end behavioral semicolon. Okay, so this is the VHDL code for half adder. Next we are going to see full adder. This is the logic diagram. Full adder with two half adder. Okay, so the inputs are 3 for full adder: A, B, C. This is the truth table. A, B, C are the input, sum and carry. So again same way we are going to make K-map for sum and carry. So first sum K-map with all these inputs. The result is A XOR B XOR C. This is the result of sum. This is the Boolean expression of sum. Then carry. Carry I am solving K-map, 3 pairs I got. So there are two equations I can produce with this. Carry is equal to AB plus C and A XOR B. This can be one answer. Or carry is equal to B and C, or A and C, or A and B. Okay. Now with these two equations I am going to write my VHDL code for full adder. This is logic circuit. Two equations are there, no? Actually sum is A XOR B XOR C. Carry can be this or this. So sum is equal to A XOR B XOR C. So this is A XOR B XOR C. Carry. Okay. Logic circuit. Next VHDL code. Again same thing, entity, port. There are 3 inputs, A, B, C are input, sum and carry are output. In the full adder I am ending the entity part with the entity name. Then architectural behavioral of full adder is begin. Inside that we have to specify what is our Boolean expression for sum and carry. Okay, so S is equal to A XOR B XOR C. Carry is equal to A and B, or B and C, or C and A. End behavior. So this is for full adder. Next half subtractor. Half subtractor 2 input. Half subtractor means 2 input, difference and borrow. Same way we will make K-map for difference and borrow. We are getting difference is equal to A XOR B, borrow is equal to A bar B, A bar and B. Okay. So based on those two equations, circuit diagram is ready. Difference is equal to A XOR B, borrow is equal to A bar and B. A bar, not get we used A bar and B. Next Boolean VHDL code, entity, inside the port we have to specify which are our input. A and B are input, difference and borrow are our output. Then architectural behavior of half subtractor. So half subtractor is begin, difference is equal to A XOR B, borrow is equal to A bar. A bar should be written as not A. In behavioral model using gate only we have to write all the Boolean expressions. Okay, so A bar should be written as not A and B. The last one is full subtractor. Again 3 input, A, B, borrow in. Okay, difference and borrow out. So if I make K-maps for difference and borrow, I will get A XOR B XOR B. Same equation like full adder. Then here borrow is A bar C plus A bar B plus B C. So this how to write this equation in VHDL code. So A bar should be written as not A and C. This plus is nothing but or. Again not A and B, or B and C. Okay, we'll see that also. VHDL code. So entity, full subtractor is port A, B, C are input and difference and borrow are output. In architecture, difference and borrow, A XOR B XOR C. This is the input. Difference. Borrow is not A and B, or not A and C, or B and C. Okay.